Good morning everyone. Today is 1st February 2021. January finished. It is snowing here. Prediction says almost 18 inches of snow accumulation. Let's see how much. It looks like slowly snowing, but this kind of snow, when continues for hours, it accumulates many inches. Many schools are closed, though our is not closed. Now it is 8:45 and this is this much accumulation, which is going to increase for sure. You can relate later if I'll record later based on the height of the filling of a deck. See the front side, that is above the mat, foot mat. So far this much. It is so difficult to clean after the snow. It looks pretty only. Anyway, it is lovely. So this is how they are cleaning our driveway. Though it is going to snow for many hours, for them it will be difficult if it is too many inches. So they clean again and again. We have told them not to throw the snow towards the fence, it will break the fence. Still, every time they throw towards the fence because they find it easy that side. The background sound is my son is attending online class. I don't know, it may bend the fence. The fence is aluminium, not iron. That's why a lot of damages after the snow. It's now 12:15 p.m. and see how much it already accumulated. Those sounds, people are cleaning the snow trucks are cleaning the driveway of the neighbor house. See, that sound is coming from there. So now you can relate how much it already snowed. I mean, see the accumulation. This kind of snow, it looks slow, but it continues for many hours and it accumulates a lot. It's now for 3 o'clock and see how much it has accumulated. If you can relate those wood stick of those deck border. See here too. See the entrance. Now you cannot see the doormat. Oh my god, I forgot that shoes to take inside. It is filled with snow. See my rhododendron, if you can relate. See the snow. See, the pot is already under the snow. My goodness. It's 3 o'clock.